With the principal aim to make Kangla Fort greener, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today led a tree plantation program where around 700 saplings were planted. Imphal City Traffic Police today organized a poster campaign in front of GM Hall to mark the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. A slow Loris Yong Ikai Thibi was rescued by Moray police officer in charge K. Ibungobi from Moray Commando Complex last night. It was later handed to the officials of Forest Department, Moray. The Guwahati Tea Auction Centre is all set to open its premium tea lounge at the GTAC premises on the GS Road today. Chief Minister of Assam Sarbananda Sonowal will inaugurate the lounge. A decision to set up a tea lounge was taken at a meeting of GTAC chaired by its chairman Rabi Kapoor, who is also Additional Chief Secretary of Industries and Commerce, Government of Assam. Indian Air Force Chief B.S. Dhanoa said that the AN-32 transport aircraft will continue to fly in the mountains as there is no replacement or alternative. The Indian Air Force is left with no option. The statement by Air Force Chief assumes significance as more than a fortnight ago, an AN-32 aircraft with 13 Indian Air Force personnel on board crashed in Arunachal Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to all those greats who resisted the emergency imposed by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on this day in 1975 and said democracy had prevailed over authoritarianism. India salutes to all those greats who fiercely and fearlessly resisted the emergency. At least 6 people were killed and 43 others injured when a bus fell into a gorge in Anuraj Ghati in Garhwa district, Jharkhand, early this morning. The bodies of the deceased passengers were retrieved and those injured were rescued by Jawans of the Central Reserve Police personnel, Superintendent of Police Sivamani Tiwari said, while 3 of the injured were referred to the Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences in Ranchi. The rest were admitted to a local hospital, the SP said. US State Secretary Mike Pompeo and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will confront significant foreign policy challenges, from retaliatory tariff to New Delhi's plan to purchase the S-400 air defense system from Russia during his visit in India. Talks with government leaders over the growing list of trade and investment issues has cast a shadow over ties between the two big democracies will be the main agenda.